Hetal in Victoria was working with a project home builder to design a new 2-storey, 5-bedroom home for her family of 5. She booked our layout review because she was on her 5th revision with her project home builder and she wasn't happy. Additionally, she wanted to know if it would be possible to reduce the footprint of her plan while still maintaining all of her requirements and therefore reduce the total cost of her build. Hetal's key requirements were to optimise the connections between the living space and the outside, to ensure maximum benefit from the northern aspect, to review window sizes and locations, to ensure all bedrooms had en-suites, and to widen the living spaces at the rear. The first things I noticed on the ground floor: the primary living spaces are cramped and have seemingly been sacrificed to allow for wider hallways. The overall circulation is wasteful and the stairs are taking up valuable width on the southern side of the plan. The central courtyard does not benefit the primary living spaces. All the light and natural ventilation is being hogged by the prayer room. Additionally, the second story hangs over the courtyard by almost 4 metres, therefore actually making the courtyard an undercroft. The primary living spaces can't enjoy access to the outside, as on one side the pool acts as a blockade, and on the other side there's just a single set of doors in the corner to access the backyard. The north side provides all the natural light benefit, yet there's a lack of windows to benefit the adjacent rooms. Additionally, the rooms are poorly allocated as they've been given to rooms that are used infrequently. The ground floor currently stands at 308 square metres. As we move upstairs, it's evident we face similar issues. The kids' bedrooms don't benefit from the northern aspect, or even the external windows as much as they should. They are also small and very awkwardly shaped. There are several examples of suboptimal functionality. For example, in bedroom 2, you have to walk through the ensuite to get to the walk-in robe. The circulation is inefficient throughout the house. The first floor currently stands at 211 square metres. It's easy to see the improvements we can make here that will not only improve the functionality of the home, but will reduce the floor space and therefore the overall cost of construction. Layout Revision 1, ground floor. The first thing I wanted to solve was how to give the facilities on the south side enough space to function properly. In order to do this, I've relocated and reoriented the stair to a single straight run close to the centre of the plan. This is very efficient and allows more breathing space across the kitchen and dining room. The laundry and second kitchen are consolidated into a strong utility zone adjacent to the kitchen. We worked the rooms on the northern side to benefit more from the northern aspect by giving them generous windows. We've consolidated the more high-use rooms, the library, playroom, the prayer room and the study, along the northern side of the plan, and relocated bedroom 5, the guest bedroom, onto the southern side. We decreased the width of the corridor throughout, which also granted more space for the rooms on either side. We rotated the pool and alfresco terrace to give better access to the garden. The living room has been made wider and shorter, a better proportion, with clear and unobstructed access to both the alfresco central courtyard and the rear terrace. The entry is now supported with significant dump zone storage and seating. We cut back the floor area of the first level to minimise the overhang and to take advantage of the northern aspect. We have reduced the floor space of the ground floor by 38 square metres. Now moving upstairs to the first floor. We reduced the size of the primary bedroom and focused on ensuring it was well supported with his and her walk-in wardrobes and a generous ensuite. We properly consolidated the bedrooms. Each bedroom, ensuite and wardrobe capacity was increased, and each room now has access to generous windows. The central stair and circulation corridor is flooded with light from a skylight above and the north-facing windows. We split up the rumpus room and study facilities. We have reduced the floor space of the first floor by 31 square metres. Within 2 weeks of signing up for our layout review, Hetal received our revisions. She made her own annotations to the plan and requested the following changes. On the ground floor, she wanted to switch the prayer room and the study location, as the prayer room will also double as a meditation and yoga room. She also wanted to rotate the kitchen island to create a strong point of arrival, which I completely agree with. On the first floor, she preferred to have one big walk-in robe in the primary bedroom. Instead of a study nook, she wanted to have a desk in each kid's bedroom and a walk-in robe so that they could all hide their mess. Layout revision 2, ground floor. The kitchen island was rotated to provide a longer island and increase the tall utility support for the kitchen. The prayer room and the study locations were swapped to provide more natural light, ventilation and benefit to the prayer, yoga, meditation room. The ground floor now stands at 270 square metres. Moving up to the first floor. The open study area was eliminated. All kids' bedrooms now have a walk-in closet and a study desk. The primary ensuite and walk-in robe locations were swapped and a private study was added to the primary bedroom. The first floor now stands at 180 square metres. We sent this revision off and received the following feedback. Final revision, ground floor, no change. Final ground floor area, 270 square metres. Moving up to the first floor, she requested the desk area be removed from the primary bedroom and the rumpus room enlarged. Final first floor area, 180 square metres. You couldn't get a better example of the impact of efficient and effective planning. Due to the improvements we made, not only is the home incorporating more amenity, bigger rooms, better natural light and ventilation, we have achieved all of this within a smaller footprint. The floor plan started at 520 square metres. Our final floor plan was 450 square metres. That's a 13.5% reduction to the total build, which equates to a bigger reduction in cost than you could ever achieve by changing your finishes.